the Ngā Waka Whā Māori Integration Model. 4 categories of Māori integration, represented by 4 different waka or vessels. W is for the Western unintegrated approach, represented by a water taxi, a solid, functional vessel but lacking in any integration of Māori. A is for the adapted Māori approach, represented by the waka ama. The outrigger or ama is the Māori adaptation that shores up the mainstream hull. K is for the kaupapa Māori approach, represented by the ocean voyaging double-hulled waka, the waka haurua. It is Māori in its materials, design, construction and crew, and is the embodiment of mana motuhake. And finally, a novel waka, represented by a waka hou, completely innovative, combining all the best parts of a diverse collective through co-decisions, co-design, co-construction, and the cooperation of a diverse crew. 3 approaches integrate Māori. Māori integration ranges on a continuum. The amount of investment required in time, money and effort to integrate Māori is proportional to the existing quotient of Māori integration. So, where is your organisation positioned now, and where would you like to be in the future? What investment is required to achieve your goals?